Hello, Akshay sir. Are you online? And welcome back. Welcome to Agile Guru. After uh, after a long time, we are here. Hello, Akshay sir. Are you online? Hello, Akshay. Good morning.
Hello, Guru. Good morning.
Good morning. Right. We are back. Yes, we are back and full of energy. And yes, it has been a long time, but we have come back with uh, what you say, more energy and and what do you say? Uh, we are back.
Great enthusiasm.
Yes, we are back and full of energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have only three people online. We will wait for some time, given that it's an ask me anything where people can come online and talk to us, and we will be sharing our plans. I don't have any presentations today, nothing, because it's nice T-shirt by the way. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Cube Simplify
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, exactly. So, given that there are five people, and do you want to post it on the chat window saying that everyone can log on to that Google Meet and they can come online and talk to us? That would be,
Yes. We
yeah,
can ping the Google Meet link in
uh,
this comment.
yeah, exactly. You want to do that, or should I do that?
Okay, I'm doing that.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, looks like why don't we call Sangati online and let him talk because I think he's asking about us. So let me see if we can ask him to Sangati. Why not join us online? Copy link. Hold on. Yeah. So good. By the way, I thought maybe in 6 7 minutes I will be revealing what we have been doing for the last 2 3 days, and I want someone apart from us to come online and become the what you say. Yeah, I hope someone to join, but it's an open session. So how many people are online? Five. Okay, which is bit small, I guess. Oh yeah. Hey, how are you, sir?
Hello, guys.
Hello. Ah, oh, good. Lots of people are coming, which is good.
Now people are coming.
Hello, Dheeraj sir. And please, guys, turn on your camera. Today is going to be a very informal ask me any session rather than uh, a typical presentation of something because in today's session, we're going to discuss our future plans and what we are doing, what is happening in the background, and about the great work Mr. Akshay Kumar is doing when I was not online. And he's hello, Dheeraj sir.
Hello. Hello, Guru sir.
Hmm. So to reiterate, we will be adding other people, and 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 this is more of a open discussion forum to discuss what we have been doing in the last 3 4 months, how we have grown, what are the future plans, and also mainly to understand everyone's needs. Of course, we will not be able to cater everyone's needs, but we'll prioritize them and then maybe uh, do something about it. So, to start off, uh, okay, that's fine. Don't worry about it. And You were okay before, so just continue with the same camera, okay? So, and okay, let's hold on. Right. To start off, thanks to the excellent community, we have 1,000 subscribers. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, exactly. And we have achieved this in round about 3.5 months or less than that, correct, Akshay?
Yes.
We
Right.
started
Less than 3
around
months.
we have started around 15th of Feb roundabout, and if you look at the innovation like last 90 days or not 90 days, maybe lifetime, we started around May, and suddenly now we have lot of time. So see, look at the channel growth. So we are growing well. Why? Because of the community. And as I mentioned, when it comes to the word community, there is no more, there cannot be more dedicated person called Akshay, who is doing a heck lot of good work. But I'm also looking for more people because Akshay also needs to do his own job and also needs to find a girlfriend and needs to yes. I'm sure there are a lot of girls behind him given how good he looks. Not like a Buddha like me, but I'm not Buddha. And also to have a wider pool of people who can give their ideas. Remember, maybe I'm at the other extreme, I'm too much learned, and Akshay is, I wouldn't call him a beginner. He's an enthusiast, he knows the industry, but may not be able to do something about it. He brings great ideas, by the way. There's no denying that. So if you want to contribute, please ping us and we will do a heck lot of things. Right. So shall we do the big reveal?
Yes,
Akshay?
I think we can do now.
Okay, right. You may be wondering what Guru was doing in the last 2 months. Obviously, on the personal front, it was a bad news for me. My good friend and dad died away on very short notice, 3 days before I got the news, and 2 days later when I flew, he was no more. And but as I mentioned, it was heartbreaking for me, but happens. That's one of the reasons in the last 2 months we have not done thing. Kunal, you can come online if you want to. Just come online because it's an open forum.
By the way, Kunal is also ambassador of Cube Simplify with me. So
Okay.
welcome, Kunal, if you want to join us.
Yeah. Yeah, tell him to come join exactly. And the big reveal. Okay. Let me see if I can do this properly. We have launched. Remember, as I mentioned, this is more dedicated towards my dad, who has always said, learn, 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 and learn. Your learning should never stop. And to make that, we have launched a learning portal. It's called learn.agileguru.org. Are you able to see the screen, Akshay? Yes?
Yes, we can see.
Yes. So, the URL being we have launched today. I'm going to paste the URL. It's called Agile Guru Learning Portal, where you can come and learn a lot of things. I'll be sending up details. Now, what happens is you can create a course or you can self log in and it's in the initial stage where we will be, but ultimately we will be creating dashboards, some courses, and you can do a lot of stuff where you can learn your own and store everything in one place. And of course, this is one of them. The other one is Wiki. We are going to upload more content and give access to more environments. That's the plan. Uh, yeah, Akshay, please allow other people to join in so that I can do a lot of.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So as I mentioned, uh, Wiki is other one where we are launching a thing, and if you want to contribute towards this wiki, we will be doing this. Uh, oh, okay. Hello, Saurabh. Uh, uh, Akshay, are you able to add people? Because yeah. Oh, I think.
No, I'm not getting the request access.
Okay, fine. Looks like there is a kink in the. Okay, don't worry. I think. Okay, we'll sort it out. As I mentioned, learning portal, wiki, and there will be a blogger also. There will be dedicated section for blogging, and people who wants to contribute, please come and join. Ping myself or Akshay to do the needful. These are some of the plans, and I'm talking to people to get good working environments. Like if you want to innovate on this one, have your own portal and have your own repositories and do some automations and all those things. And of course, there will be live sessions on topics with you. So that all is the plan for the next 2-3 months. Obviously, it's summertime in England, so I will be taking some holidays. Yeah, and to some spend some time with my family. But in the long term, next year, same time around May, I will be doing an extensive travel in India for 2 months.
Yeah.
Yes, around 6 weeks to 2 months
Right.
time, where I will be visiting all of my friends and community people. So I have given all the responsibilities to Akshay, and whilst we are doing this, it will be mostly sponsored by myself, but it will have other community members if they want to contribute, but it's optional. And we will be having t-shirts, swags, this and that, and camping. Even one of the ideas came from Akshay was a night train, and we'll be studying late night in the train, a sleeper coach kind of a train. Let's see how it works out, but these are the long-term plans or road trip.
And Guru, I just want to share one thing. Saurav is here. When we were returning from the Mumbai, KCD Mumbai, last week, then we were just talking the same that sometime in future we can do travel in train like this.
Yes, or oh, okay, hold on. We have Kunal coming on. Just give me a sec. Hello, Kunal sir.
Hey Kunal.
Hey everyone.
वही साले अक्षय कमीने, साले सबको टी शर्ट दिया, मुझे नहीं दिया, साले कुत्ते.
We are on live stream, Guru.
नहीं, I use very good language, man. कमीने and कुत्ते is very normal language, right?
Yeah, that's so friendly.
हाँ, BC MC तो यूज नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, yeah, exactly.
ये मैसेज सही तक पहुंचना चाहिए कि एक क्यू सिंपलीफाई की टी शर्ट गुरु को मिलनी चाहिए.
हाँ, exactly.
बिल्कुल. I mean, KCD मुंबई में स्टॉक कम था, but ट्राई करेंगे.
नहीं, no, just tell me if I can buy it. I will buy it online if you want. Merchandise कर सकते हो क्या?
अभी तो ऐसा कोई सिस्टम नहीं है for buying. I can get you stickers. Stickers तो मिल सकते हैं.
हाँ, ठीक है, but do you think it will be very expensive to send it to London?
Yeah,
Yeah, it will be very. 5
You have to talk to Sayam for that.
No, 200 rupees का stickers होगा और 600 rupees लगेगा भेजने के लिए, तो that's not economical, right? Yes.
Exactly.
Or even it will cost you more. No, I got shitloads of stickers. Anyway, right. As I mentioned, it's me and Akshay who are talking. So other people also please unmute and bring out ideas, because your words and your inputs is very much needed, which will further enable other people to contribute. Because remember, I'm just a facilitator here. We are not here to. I'm not here to make money out of this forum or from this channel. No, that's never the intuitions. So please come out with ideas. Do you have anything? Oh, Guru, if you had this and that one. Just to reiterate with people, we have started the learning portal. It's called learn.agileguru.org, which I have started. So if you want to become a mentor or want to be mentored, you can go to learn.agileguru.org. And of course, it's not open for registrations yet, but I will be setting up registration and all those things in the next 2-3 days. And this is for everyone, so that we can learn from Sangati and Dheeraj sir and Saurabh sir and Kunal sir. And Akshay, of course, is one of them. And I have spoken to a lot of people. There are requests for mentoring sessions, learning sessions, and recorded videos. So if any one of you are interested, not only the one who are in this forum, but other forums or who are online who are watching this video, if they want to contribute, that will be good. So yes, throw away your ideas, please, and I'm all ears.
I mean, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
If that counts.
Yeah,
I just saw Akshay's post, like you all are having a cloud chat, something kind of that. So I'd love to know like what this is about and the initiative that you all are, you are sitting here and discussing about stuff. So what all is this about? Because this is something new. I just saw Akshay's post and thought like, okay, let's just jump in and say hi.
Yeah, Akshay, you want to do the honors, please?
Yeah, I can say that it's like we are creating a platform for student, learner, and everyone where everyone can learn in free of cost all the cloud and DevOps related and others related. And also we are planning to provide a platform so that people can create like build something. They can also write blogs and they can also build like project related things. So we are also like working on our website with Guru. And Guru, do you want to add something?
Yeah, means of course I have a full-time job, and of course a full-time family and a teenage daughter. So I'm sure you understand this takes a heck lot of time. But ultimately, Agile Guru is going to expand uh, at no cost for people who are using it, obviously. But the plan is to build a single place where people can learn and share from one place and be mentored by SMEs. And I am getting a request for lots of specific thing. For example, Ganesh has asked, start the DevOps series from scratch, which is fair. But what I don't want is me doing everything. I want other people also. Remember, it's your careers which we are trying to enhance. So let's say tomorrow, Dheeraj or Mamsi or Saurabh have an idea. Oh, we can implement this software using this technique or technology. They need a platform. They can post on this and create and things, and we will be great. I will give the infrastructure. I'm already spending a heck lot of money on this platform. It is self-hosted. This is not like hosted by a third party. This is all hosted by myself. I write code to host this. And of course, I spend a lot of money, but God has given me a decent career. So thing is, tomorrow if Kunal or Saurabh or Dheeraj or Vamsi decide to, oh, I want to show something, do something, at the minute you write your blog on Hashnode and then do something. I don't have a domain, I don't have HTTPS. That's not what you're trying to share. You're trying to share how to do development, how to write a CI/CD pipeline, how to do things. And I want to create a platform with your help. Remember, I can't do everything. No, I can provide my expertise in application development, infrastructure engineering. I don't know what React apps are. I don't know. I've never written those things. So this is where everyone as a community will come and innovate, and also they can show off their own skills in one place rather than sending 5 different links to your recruiters and this and that. Just tell them, go to AG and here's mine. For example, you can show off your own page. You can have something like Akshay Kumar at ag.ajarguru.org, and there are other domains coming up. Don't worry, there are lots of things which is happening in the background. Apart from that, this is not only about technical coaching. Remember, I have had good success in my career where I have mentored people on interview techniques, how to write their own blogs or write their resume, CV as they call it here, and other things. Remember, sometimes, and especially for ladies, remember IT is very male dominated, as you can see from this forum. People are
Right.
ladies are quite reluctant because they think, oh, this is male people. I don't care whether you are a male or a female, young or old. To be honest, no. Our idea is to help people to enjoy their life first by having a good career. Remember, we work to live, not live to work. No. I'm sure there are a lot of other people who want to have good holidays in some foreign country, but they can't do that for various reasons, monetary and non-monetary reasons. Let's help each other out and let's build a better society where people are not working, people are having a good life. That's by having a good career, having good money, or not doing boring things and things. Of course, these are long-term visions, and depending on how much help and helping hand I get from other people, I can provide with the infrastructure, the platform, and my expertise in technical. And I think very soon I will be joined by my life partner, who treats children with acquired brain injuries to help us out. But of course, she is not from a technical background; she is from a medical background. So she may also provide content to well-being, how to look after yourself, and all those things. I hope this was long enough for you to understand, especially for Kunal.
Yep, definitely. I understand. And so basically, you will be focusing on DevOps and cloud domain, or is this spread across
No,
various domains as well?
it's not. See, uh, 1 minute, huh? Because I'm a Lucian.
Yep, sure.
Yeah,
I think more and more such initiatives I see, a lot of community members are starting, and
Yeah.
I think that it's required as a right now, because there are a lot of tools and technologies coming day by day, and the AI revolution is happening. So we
Yeah.
need people who can guide, people like me who are just getting started in this space, and getting guidance from experienced people like you. I think that's needed.
Yeah,
That's the need of
exactly.
the hour.
Yeah, I couldn't have put in better words, to be honest, Kunal. Uh, uh, um, so, just let's see. Akshay, can you do me a favor? You can send a joining link to Elucian Moise. I think he's trying to chat, but I can't do two things at the same time. So you can invite him.
Okay.
Ask him to come and join us so that he can ask questions here. There is nothing hiding here. We are not doing anything. Okay, coming back to Kunal, your answer was uh, um, Kunal, as I am not going to only restrict myself to DevOps or cloud. Um, uh, my dad always used to say, you need two hands to clap. Don't only look at infrastructure or applications. That's kind of defeating the purpose. एक हाथ से झापड़ मार सकते हैं, ताली नहीं. Right? And trust me, I only always got claps from my dad. Okay, my mom used to beat me up a lot, but that's different. Hello, Gaurav sir. And also, I'm not going to prescribe you do this, you do this. No, that's not the one. There are lots of channels who are like trained with Shubham, excellent on DevOps. Sandeep Das, that is his knowledge on Python and lots is very good indeed. But my vision is to use and leverage all these SMEs and everything to one place rather than you searching 20,000 different things. And also, I can share, for example, I come from Java and Spring Boot. And as Lucian asked me, why don't I go for Golang or something? I'm learning Go at the minute. I am not production good enough now. So I'm also learning on my side. So learning portals, courses, this and that. And remember, it's not me and Akshay who are going to lead everything. No, there is no leader here. It's an army. Everyone goes forward. So tomorrow, if Kunal knows something, he can come and join us and say, oh, I want to host some classes. Fine. Please do that. There is no hiding. And remember, this is not a forum where I come with nice presentation and everything. Okay, we have a Lucian. Hello. Hello, Lucian. How are you?
So, Lucien, I think I have a question.
Okay. Remember, Lucian, you are on video, and you're on mic. So yeah, right. So the question from Lucian was why didn't I go for Golang? I'm learning Golang at the minute, but remember, I am not. Sorry, not I am is the right wrong word. We are not here to prescribe something. We ultimate aim is to whoever is using our channel or the platform or the development we are doing, it's not in one aspect like Golang or something like that. I hope this makes sense. But I'm learning Go at the minute. But remember, I have a family. You're on mute, sir. Illusion, you're on mute. You have to unmute yourself.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
My name is Alushan. I'm from Romania.
Hello.
And I have recently joined the community, so I'm not familiar with you guys. I remember Aksha. And not much else. But the question was about Go because Java is a little bit old tech, right? So it's going down. So we kind of look at new tech, which is especially for cloud more efficient.
Yes.
Right. Java is inefficient. It's if you make many applications in Java and you store them on cloud, you have more than 80% loss compared with other languages which are more efficient. So that means a lot of money you pay for hosting your services.
Yeah, exactly. Correct. What you said is exactly correct. But
so if you go for a community, a large community, you can learn very quickly a new technology that is more efficient, and then maybe you have an edge against other companies that are similar with yours. or whatever other agencies that are similar with yours,
Yeah.
but they're looking into new tech. So
Mm.
new tech is always going to win.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Yeah, what you're saying is exactly correct. That's one side of the thing where we want people to learn new things, not do old irrelevant things. But remember, Lucian, that at the minute, 70% of my audience at the minute are from India, where they are starting up their career and 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 they want to get into a job. Remember, and these are coming from. So we also want to cater to them to learn things which are heavily used. For example, most of the people have worked for the top service companies like TCS or Wipro or Infosys or CTS, where having these knowledge on, I'm not going to sit them and teach them Java or Spring Boot, no, but exclusively. But I can say, hey, if you create a Spring Boot project, Maven, you can build the project, and these are the tools which will help you in productivity. So they can see the thinking, but then apply the same in their day-to-day life so that they can get a role. And we are here to just kindle the fire. They have to put the wood and make the people warm. So that's why that is our intention. Of course, ping me separately, Lucian, and I'm sure we can talk and see if you can help in some certain ways so that we can grow as a whole. Because remember, as I mentioned, I have a full-time job and a family, and of course, and I have to do a lot of things, so time is of the essence. So yeah, that's it. But good suggestion, and we are working on it. If you want to contribute, please um, come and talk to either
No,
myself
I'm
or
in the community because I want to contribute. But I'm an open source developer, so I'm doing open source myself. But people are pulling back from open source, you know,
okay.
because why? Because ChatGPT is taking all the technology from everyone and nothing giving back.
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't give you anything back.
Mm.
It's only taking, and then it's making money for other people. So
yeah.
people are getting away from GitHub.
Yeah.
I have seen professionals that are making their own repositories private and using closed source. Open source is attacked by ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Taking all the code from other people is not okay.
Yeah, it's not okay.
And we work hard to make code to improve our own reputation.
Yeah.
That's why you work. But ChatGPT doesn't show whose contribution is.
Yeah, exactly.
It's taking your code and it doesn't give you anything back. At least ChatGPT, at least GitHub is giving you square, green squares. It's giving you reputation.
Yes.
But ChatGPT is not giving you reputation.
Exactly.
It's taking reputation from you, it's stealing the reputation, and it's giving the reputation to the company that is managing ChatGPT.
Exactly.
Not to you.
Yeah.
Nothing goes to you.
Exactly.
So I have my own private repository. Your repository is going to be on GitHub. It's not private. So all my work is going to go away. Nothing is going to help me out.
Exactly.
You know?
But remember,
there is no incentive.
Yeah. Remember,
but that means it doesn't work correctly. So even your organization, if your repository is not private, it's not going to work.
Yeah.
You know?
No, but remember, there are two sides to it. Remember, why do we have reputation? Because we want to have a career, and career also means money. Remember, for every 5 good people, there are 5 not good people. I wouldn't call them bad, but everyone wants to survive, and I understand ChatGPT or generative AI as they call it. They literally pick things from others and literally do it. But remember, it will take at least 20 years before everything is automated. I don't think so, even in 20. Remember, ChatGPT or whatever, it only generates code. It's a coding monkey. Your brain, nothing can substitute a human brain where ideas coming through or solving. ChatGPT can say, oh, I have a problem, solve it. It won't. No. Guru Soumya is just hold on, hold on.
I agree. I use ChatGPT.
Yeah.
It does its work.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Akshay, send her the link again. And
Okay.
and see whether you can join. Yeah, thanks very much, Lucian. It is really good. Ping me separately and we can help you out. Yeah. Thank you very much.
One more question: is this gonna go on Discord? I mean, that's your Discord, or you have another one?
No, I don't have Discord. Akshay has his own community. We can post it in there if you want to.
So the news are gonna go on Discord, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
you
news
do.
will be there also
Yeah.
on
Thank
Discord.
you. Thank you.
Join community Discord.
Yeah. Who wanted to join Akshay? Okay, bye. Right. Who you said could not join Akshay?
There is my friend Shaumya is there. I think she's sending the request, but
Okay.
unable to join.
Okay. I didn't get the request to join. Let me see if I can change something. Hold on. General. Okay. I need to find out if I can make this. Which is.
Okay, till then, if anyone have question,
Anyone
can ask.
question? Other questions, please ask. Yes. Gaurav can
Sangeet,
ask.
Gaurav.
Yeah.
Hello, Guru sir. How are you doing, sir?
Doing okayish. Not 100% yet. I think it'll take a couple of months more because, as I mentioned, my good friend and my
Yeah,
dad.
finally, we are happy to see you back with your sessions, sir.
Mm,
Finally, we are happy for your sessions, and unfortunately, after seeing your message, I got to know that news about your father, and my deepest condolences to you and your family, sir.
Yeah, it's fine. Means my dad and of course my mom, obviously, but my dad was such an influence, good influence, that he allowed me to do what I wanted in my career rather than telling to, no, this is the family business, take care of this or do that. No, he said, be happy first. And of course, we came from a frugal background. But as they say, he used to say always, you can buy the best beds, you can never buy sleep. Remember that, right? So join and learn, and whether it was a man or male or a female, young or old, who used to come to my home, my dad always used to say, never make money out of education. That's knowledge, because knowledge is for sharing, not for selling. You can make money otherwise by creating software tools and which can be used by others, but knowledge is for sharing. Yes.
Exactly. And I just want to also share, and when people are any student age, they don't have much money to spend in different things on education. So it's a great idea. We are providing free education to the student so that they can leverage their knowledge.
And
yeah, that's great news. Actually, we are here. We are happy. So many things are learning from you and Guru sir. Actually, it's a great thing. It's a great initiative to have your own channel that helps contributing many of the people like me learning the basics and everything.
Yeah, exactly. And I want ideas to come from you because. Okay, we have one more. Hello, Jazz. You're on mute, sir, madam. Sorry, I don't.
Jess is male.
Okay.
Jess, you are.
You're on mute, sir, Jazz. So if you can unmute yourself, that would be good. Okay, I think finally
Guru sir,
Soumi.
Guru
Ah,
sir, I
yeah.
had a
Soumya is also
question.
here
Can I?
now.
Sorry. Lots of people are joining. Sorry, what did you say?
Sir, I had a question regarding
Yeah.
one thing I just wanted to get to.
1 minute.
Sir, I,
One minute.
I
One
just
minute.
want.
1 minute. This is for everyone. Please turn on your cameras and unmute yourself. That would be really appreciated because it looks like I'm going into a meeting room where no one is here. So that would be really appreciated.
Yeah, people can open. If they are outside, then it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
What Akshay? Do you think the recording can stop and then we can continue with our thing because this will more of a discussion. So I'm going to stop the YouTube channel and continue with this chat, and we can go on for as much as we want. What do you think? Because we
But
can't.
I think it's fine because many people just see the recording after
Okay,
sessions.
fine. Okay,
right?
fine.
So
Yeah.
it's fine. They can also listen.
Yeah. Okay, fine. But I cannot have for more than an hour. So we have to take
Yeah.
because OBS is telling me that it's running out of memory. That's why. Okay, coming back. Hello, Soumya ji. Unmute yourself and come on camera and talk. Okay, Sangati, go ahead. Vimsi.
Sir, I just wanted to know from your end what is the importance of monitoring in DevOps, and can you suggest that like you have Splunk? I just wanted to know the basic things that you.
Okay, right. Tell me something. Okay, Gaurav understood. Right. Right. Let me. Okay. Tell me something. Are you a student or working at the minute?
No, sir, I am looking for jobs.
Okay, you're looking for jobs. Good. Right. And you have an email and you apply for a job and you want a response and all those things.
Yes.
How do you have a mobile to see whether someone has responded? You check an email and then those things.
Yeah.
Now, ultimately, these tools are monitoring people's responses, right? So you want to know
Yeah,
what is
so-
happening, right?
Yeah, to know the.
No,
what's
exactly.
happening, what's just
Now, the thing is, me talking to you, for example, here it's open forum, but I talk to Akshay offline. Now, no one knows. In software terms, it's the same. What is happening in the software? Remember, only binary 1-0 runs on computers. It achieves something, but no software is 100% proof correct in terms of security or logic or error handling or infrastructure handling. So you need to know. And remember, monitoring is also sometimes used as showing off by people who do not know more. Right? I have seen corporate environments where one person is the owner of monitoring and he doesn't share the monitoring with others. Then what's the point? Right? So, but that's a failure from implementation of DevOps culture, not from a technical. But ultimately, in some of the environments where I worked or led, I gave access read only to literally everyone who can read within the corporate environment. And if someone wants to say, "Oh, Guru, I have an idea," I'll say, "Yes, create a dashboard and then let's see whether we can publish." And the more insights you get, but remember, there is a flip side to it. It's called information overload. So you have to be very focused. You need to create dashboards and monitoring to get data which will trigger improvement, right? In what we call action plans, or what we call is CTA, click to action, right? Oh, this is happening.
Yeah.
If we do this, oh, because of this, oh, this is happening. For example, if you look at monitoring and you go, my server response time is only 300 milliseconds, good. I don't need any faster system. Why to spend on cache? But let's say one of the UI is not good, you get a feedback. You put everything in one place and then see what is the best use case. For example, Hold on. Let me see if I have it online. DevOps.alacritices.com. Just give me 1 minute, okay?
Sure, sir.
Cloud. Just give me 1 minute.
Sure, sir.
Come on. Okay, while it is loading. Now, if you, as I mentioned, if you look at my wiki, right, which is coming up, right, and Google Console. Now, as I mentioned, okay, hold on. I think I don't need to do a lot of things. Google platform. Now, for example, if I go and look at these things, what does it tell me? That on an average, I'm spending 10,000 rupees a month. Now, you can bake your own monitoring or use cloud providers or service providers. Whether it is Splunk or anything else really doesn't matter, right? To understand what your system is doing, and hold on. Hold on. Just give me 1 sec. Let me open up. Just give me 1 sec. Just give me 1 sec. Okay. If you see, this is my monitoring system, right? I am using something called Grafana, and I literally monitor everything. What is happening? How much thing? Do you think I create and sit and create these dashboards? No, it's not. No, Elucian, I don't only pay for 122 pounds to just keep my wiki. There are a lot of other systems also. I write a lot of code and I'll do a lot of things. So yes, I spend and wiki and SonarCube and Jenkins and lot of these things and monitoring Grafana and to practice my own code and everything. So yes, I spend a lot. Yes, correct. But not only for wiki, this is for Elucian. So if you see, I can literally go, oh, how much am I using, right? So for example, dashboards, Kubernetes, Ingress, NextGen. So who is hitting my website and how much traffic it's coming, what is HTTP, how much error, 500 errors I'm getting. All this really helps me to understand how my system is working, to make improvements. So this is what really helps you to get things done. So you're monitoring, it's like checking your health every day in the morning, looking at the mirror and going, today I need shaving, or maybe I need to color my hair, or maybe go to the gym and decrease your tummy, something like that. So monitoring, you need to look after yourself. And on the software side, you can do.
It's equally important from both ends, right? From client end and the owner end. It's equally important whether the
Whoever is not using, whosoever is providing the service needs to be the ownership of this. So if I have a website, Vamsi doesn't need to monitor it. No, that's not your problem. It's I'm providing the service, I have to monitor it.
Okay.
Make sense?
Got it. Yeah. Makes sense. Thanks for that.
Any other questions?
No, sir, I just wanted to know that.
Yeah. Hello, Soumya.
So I'm Soumya and I am currently working as a DevOps engineer.
Uh-huh.
I just wanted to know that what do you think, what is the difference between like platform engineering and DevOps engineering? and into DevOps, and is really DevOps is going to die because of platform engineering. What do you think about this?
I if you do you want a very politically correct answer or do you want the brutal honest answer?
I want brutal honest answer.
Okay. Um, there is nothing called DevOps engineer, there is nothing called platform engineer, or there is nothing called application engineer. What is the common word in all these three?
Engineer.
Exactly. I started as a developer, then became an architect, then became a support engineer, then became an architect, then became a cloud engineer. In my whilst being head of DevOps for Volkswagen and Daimler AG and but ultimately what I do is I solve software and hardware problems. So you ultimately are an engineer. One of the good things, I went to Stuttgart to Daimler, who, of course, who's the owner of Mercedes Benz. There, no one has a title of I'm a engine engineer, I'm a door engineer, or I'm a roof engineer. No, everyone is a car engineer. You put this guy from here in some other department, within 10 days they will learn that thing and they will get on. So my suggestion would be, don't try to become the tanga wala ghoda or ghodi, where you are just led in one path, where someone else decides what you should do and what your career should be. No. Do you know, I'm a good engineer. I also wired my home on a GPPS network. I had a lab, which of course I have taken out now. I created things. This gives me happiness, and in the meantime, I also learn. So tomorrow, if there is site reliability engineering or platform engineering, everything is a software which runs on hardware, right? So DevOps is not going to die. SRE is not going to die because everything is engineering. You may have n number of acronyms and terms being used. Do you think the only thing which I see may disrupt the industry in 30 years' time is quantum computing, where it is so powerful that it can do the thinking. But remember, computers cannot think, it can only do. Right? For example, Akshay is my buddy. But if he sits in front of GPT, will GPT find a good girlfriend for him? Obviously not. He needs to go out and beg some girl to marry him and whatever, and that may happen, right? And do you think I'll by sitting on my desk I can get coffee automatically? Obviously not. So don't worry about, and remember, for every 10 jobs which go, 20 more jobs are created. And remember, we may not be creating software and hardware on Earth. Maybe in 20 years' time, Soumya will be saying hi to me from Mars. You never know. So don't worry about this, Soumya. There always will be roles. My suggestion is innovate and get your fundamentals correct. One thing my mentor Prabha Satiraju, I wish we can bring her online one day, but I doubt that seriously. She used to not tell me how to do something. She told me always worry about the outcome. Do good outcome and you can do the same. Yeah. So always think about the outcome, which problem you're solving. Today it may be a car, tomorrow it may be a rocket, or even your children's bicycle. You're solving a problem. Become a good engineer. Whether it's look at me. I started as a developer, then Java enterprise architect. Now I manage whole clouds for our clients, and I coach people as well. So if a person who did not have internet access when he was doing his studies can do such things. The current world, which has lots of cloud and free resources, imagine the power they get to do a lot of things. So don't worry about it too much. Yeah, enjoy. And worst case, you never know. In 2 months' time, you may become a millionaire. You don't need to work at all, right? It may happen. So don't worry about it. Yeah. And ping me separately if you want a more detailed one, because this forum is to get ideas from you. And if you have any idea, oh, Guru, I want to do that. Yeah. We are going to do this only for next 4 minutes, and then we will finish off. But yeah, I have started learning computer. I wanted to know what are the most important and necessary topic to know, and what are the resources best to refer. Okay. Network, learn the OCI model in and out, and also try to get to understand what CIDR and what is the CI notation tells you, what is VPN, what is network peering. My suggestion is learning does not give you thing. Practice. Create a cloud infrastructure. Go and use a Terraform. Create 2 projects. Create 2 different VPCs and have a private subnet in one of those VPCs and a public, and then try to access that from another project using VPC peering. Unless you learn and do it, all these books and resources are of absolute no use. Look at me, I practice for 3 hours a day minimum. And write notes and practice. And once you see success, attach it with some good emotion. For example, learning portal worked. I was struggling for 2 days. It didn't work. I went to bed and cursed myself and sweared myself. Next day morning, and then did it. So yes. So hello Akshat. By the way, we are going to finish in 2-3 minutes. Sorry, but I have to go and do some shopping. And so my suggestion is do the thing and then do it. Yeah, thanks. Right. Any other questions from anyone from the chat window?
Jess raised his hand. Yeah, Jess, what do you want to ask?
No, he said understood. Thanks. That's it. Just said that. Yeah. I guess there are no more questions. Correct?
Yeah, so we can talk about the next sessions if you want, like what we will do from next session, next Saturday.
Yes, we will be next hosting on. Actually, I don't want to tell. We will reveal it that one, because the content is getting ready. We will let you know by Wednesday. Learning portal, we will be. If you want to contribute to the learning portal and wiki and all those things, we will help you out. If you want to contribute, ping us, and we can help you. We will be more than happy. Maybe I will take, just to give you. Okay, go ahead, Jazz. Jazz, you're raising a hand but not saying anything. Just type in what you need. I have 1 more minute, or else we can ping me separately and we can have a chat. Coming back, maybe I'll take some lessons on how to organize projects and those things in GCP. Maybe just a hint. Okay, something to do with GCP, how to organize and how to look at costs, how to set up budgets. Maybe I'm not 100% sure. Cool. So thanks, guys. So to sum up, we have mentioned that we have started the learning portal. We will be customizing it, and notifications will be sent on social media in 3-4 days. We have just started. The URL, of course, is learn.agileguru.org. If you want to contribute and publish things, there will be a blogging engine which is coming, and lots of other tools are coming. And yes, and please don't call me sir. Please call me Guru, and especially for ladies, I understand in a male-dominated area you find it very difficult, and I want you to have equal opportunities to do everything. So please sell. I wouldn't say sell. Please shine better. You are the same diamond as we are. You have to just shine better. And if I can help more, that would be great. I have had success mentoring and getting people better roles, but 90% of them were male. Maybe they are restricting themselves. You don't have to be me. You can contact Akshay or other people. And maybe using this learning portal and forums or any other tool set which will help. If you think there is a tool set which can help people learn and grow, we can do it. And maybe I will have something in real terms very soon to allow people to deploy things. Let's see. Okay. So thank you very much for joining. I know it was an open forum. Some ideas have come, and we will employ on that one. But from next week onwards, it will be very intentions, and I'm thinking of doing something in GCP. But if you have anything which you want to do, ping us, and then we'll do something about it. Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you everyone for joining us.
And thank you very much.
See you in the next session. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thanks for going. Thanks for going. And